guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be bringing you guys with me for a productive day in my life. Today's Memorial Day, so I have a few things to do, but the first thing on my list, I need to go take these packages to the UPS store to get them shipped out, because it's been like a week and I was like, I need to get this stuff shipped out, you know, I don't want to wait in, but I gotta finish like packaging them up and stuff. Then come back, finish getting dressed, and then we're probably gonna go to my aunt's house to get in the pool and stuff, probably like later. But yeah, so I cleaned my room and stuff already, and I didn't vlog that because I feel like you guys always see me clean my room. But yeah, I might stop by Starbucks too on the way back. I don't know. But yeah, so let's finish packing up these orders and then get them to the store. Yeah, so I dropped off my package at the UPS store. I'm gonna go to Dunkin'. I was gonna go to Starbucks, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna go to Dunkin' because I love me some Dunkin'. So yeah. Hi, can I have a medium raspberry sweet tea with extra shots of raspberry? Okay. And that's it. Hold on, I love. Okay. Alright, bitches, I'm back home. So I got my drink from Starbucks. I think I'm gonna get dressed and like find something to wear, so when I go to my aunt's house, fix my hair and do all that good stuff. And then I need to finish editing this video for Wednesday because I'm almost done. I just need to add a few more things, the music, and then upload it and all that stuff. And we're gonna do that. But first I need to get dressed and get comfortable and get cute. But yeah, let's find something to wear. I might actually keep these jeans on that I have on right now, like these jeans, and just find a different shirt. So yeah, let's do that. I'm done getting dressed. Here's the fit for today. This shirt that my sister gave me is super cute, like, and then some black jeans. Oh, I just realized the blacks are off, but okay, who cares? Well, this kind of matches, but okay. These ripped jeans my grandma got me. How cute are these? And then yeah, and my gold jewelry. So that's the fit for today. So now I'm gonna edit for a little bit until it's just time to go. So yeah. All right, y'all, full fit on. Let's go relax and eat. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Today's gonna be like a chill day. Yesterday was really busy. I had a lot to do, But today we're gonna be chilling. So I'm currently doing laundry, and I'm gonna start transferring the clean laundry to my bed and putting my dirty laundry in the washer. And then I want to do a face mask today, because if you guys watched my last video, I got a little self-care kit. So I want to do a face mask today. And yeah, I'm just gonna be relaxing. I have a few things to finish up on my computer that I gotta send over to some people. And yeah, my room is clean, so I don't have to clean my room, but those are the only things that I gotta get done today. But I think my clean clothes are done downstairs, so let's go transfer that to the dryer. Here's the comfortable fit for today. Y'all see me wear these pants a lot because they're super comfortable. But yes, that is today's little comfy fit.